Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to close apps in MacBook. So whether you are using MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, this video will work in every MacBook devices. So if you want to close any app, first of all, I am going to open an app, this Safari app. Okay, now I am going to search for this. Okay, now like this. Now if you want to close this app, you probably clicked on this red cross. Okay, but uh, it will not close completely. So if you want to close an app completely, what you have to do, there are two ways. First way, just open this app. Okay, now what you have to do, just click on command and press command and q. Okay, so like this you can just close the app. And second way is, you will see here Safari option, just click on it and click on quit Safari. Okay, so like this you can close app in your MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.